Kawasaki Z1000 is a naked sport bike that blends aggressive styling with raw performance. Known for its muscular stance and sharp lines, the Z1000 has earned a reputation as one of the most striking street fighters on the market. Its design is inspired by Kawasaki's Sugomi styling philosophy, which gives it a predatory look, from the menacing headlight setup to the sculpted fuel tank. Every detail communicates power and speed, making it as visually intimidating as it is thrilling to ride. Powered by a 1043cc inline-4 engine, the Kawasaki Z1000 delivers strong torque and exhilarating acceleration. The smooth yet powerful engine response allows for confident overtakes and rapid launches, while the precise fuel injection system ensures consistent performance. Its lightweight frame and advanced suspension provide excellent stability, making it equally capable in city streets and open highways. The exhaust note is deep and commanding, adding to its street presence. The rider experience on the Z1000 is both engaging and comfortable. Its upright seating position allows for better control and visibility, while still offering an aggressive riding posture. Wide handlebars make handling effortless, especially when leaning into corners. The suspension setup, paired with high-performance brakes, ensures responsive stopping power and a balanced ride. Kawasaki's attention to rider ergonomics makes long rides less fatiguing without sacrificing sportiness. The Kawasaki Z1000 continues to be a benchmark for naked performance motorcycles. Appealing to riders who crave style and substance in one package, it offers the thrill of a superbike without the bulk of fairings, letting the raw engineering shine. Whether cruising through the city, carving twisty roads, or showing off at bike meets, the Z1000 stands out as a machine that demands respect and delivers excitement every time the throttle is twisted.